In a surprising turn of events at the Paris Olympics, two of Jamaica's top sprinters, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson, have withdrawn from their respective events, leading to their exclusion from further participation in the Games. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, a multiple Olympic and world champion, pulled out of the semifinal of the 100 meters just minutes before the race. This sudden decision left fans and commentators in shock, as Fraser-Pryce was considered a strong contender for a medal. The following day, Shericka Jackson, who had already informed the Olympic organizers over a day in advance that she would not participate in the 100 meters, took a similar approach with the 200 meters. Jackson showed up for the 200 meters race, but decided not to participate just minutes before it started, effectively scratching from the race. According to Olympic rules, athletes who scratch from an event close to its start time are generally not allowed to participate in any further events in the competition. As a result, both Fraser-Pryce and Jackson are now unable to compete in any other events at the Paris Olympics. This double blow to the Jamaican track team significantly impacts their medal prospects and adds an unexpected twist to the competition. Fans and analysts will now watch closely to see how the rest of the team responds in the wake of these high-profile withdrawals.